Alright, so here's how to use Kapwing. I keep on having to restart this because Kapwing's not working right, so hopefully it works better for you than it is for me. This link is on my Google Classroom. You can also see it's just Kapwing right here. Okay? So you're going to click on that and you're going to sign in with Google so that way everything's synced and makes everything nice and neat. So allow permissions and tell them that you're a student and all that good stuff. Once you do that, it brings you to here. You're probably going to have a blank slate. Okay, I just did that for mine, but that's okay. So what I want to do is I want to click Create New, and then I'm going to do a 16 by 9. Okay. And what I'm going to do is this timing button over here. I'm going to start by hitting 5 seconds. So that way I know that each one is going to be 5 seconds. So let's add text to make a title slot for the first time. Okay, so I can see here. I'm making mine about Tito Puente. Tito Puente. Okay, hopefully I'm saying that name right. If I'm not, I apologize. Please tell me how to say it correctly. So I'm going to make it a full screen, make it a little bit bigger. Okay. You can see here that we can change all kinds of colors and all that good stuff. So whatever you need to do, you can do to make it look nice and pretty the way you want it. All right? So once I've done that, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click Media. I'm going to click Upload Media. I'm going to click to upload. Now yesterday we made a photo story folder in Google Drive, and the reason why is it's going to make it much easier today for us. So I'm already in my photo story folder. I'm going to hit Control A and then I'm going to hit Open. Okay. Now that uploads all my pictures. I'm probably going to have a couple duplicates because I keep doing this, but that's okay if it doesn't for you. Now what I will do is I'll hit that plus sign, and if you notice, it has brought it underneath my title. I don't want it underneath, I want it next to my title. So I'm just clicking and dragging and I'm moving it over. Now if I move another one, it's going to put it underneath it for some reason, but I want it on the same line here, okay? So you can see I hit play and it's going to go through everything I've created so far. Now to do your AI voice, I'm trying to show you this quickly. You can click AI voice over here. You would put whatever you want from your script. That's why we did the script yesterday. Tito Puente was a famous percussionist. Okay, I'm going to be really bland, but there you go. I can see that I have that there. Okay, and I'm just going to do, select the voice. I'll do Blake. And then it should add it in underneath here. Okay? Yep, now you can see that I have it here. I'm going to probably start it right there, but let's hit play and you should be able to hear what I'm talking about.
Tito Puente was a famous percussionist.
Alright, now you can move these around here if you need. You can get rid of some of this. You can move it over so it starts a little bit earlier. Okay? I would suggest you do a couple sentences at a time so that we have multiple audio files, so that if one gets messed up, you can edit it a lot easier than having to edit the whole thing. Okay? So that's to get started. You're going to put your intro, you're going to add your pictures, you're going to make sure your script is talking about the questions I asked and that the questions are being answered and the pictures line up with what you're talking about in the script. Hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you need more help.